Okay, right. So this is the third video, and this third video, I'm just gonna try and change my pen color. All right. So this third video focuses just on what happens when when that very first period just does not live in the tax year, right? So that's that. That's what's going on over here. When it doesn't live in that tax year, what do we do? And sort of just kind of pushing down a little here, so you can see the practicality of this. Imagine that a person had done something um, ridiculous like this. They had done, I'm going to prepare a first period of 1st of January 2015 all the way to the 30th of May 2016. So when you see this, you're already thinking, okay, we might have some issues. So the first year we know will be 1st of January 2015 to the 5th of April 2015. This is covering the 14-15 year, right? Because this is the end date, 15. So the year end must be, or the Finance Act is for the FA, Finance Act 14-15. So the question is, okay, this is the second year, 15-16. Does this period that we've just been discussing, does it end before the 5th of April? It does not. So because it doesn't, the rules say we have to pick up 6th of April 2015 to the 5th of April 2016 to make sure we have enough tax, or there's tax to pay in this year. Then we ask the question again, does it? Of course it must do. Does it now, that very first period, end in the tax year? Well, it does. So now you can sort of do your, if you like, the last bottom 12 months, because you're really trying to align it with the year end anyway, aren't you? So you have a 1st of June 2017 all the way down here to um, hi there, sorry I was rudely interrupted there, and naughty people interrupting me, no problem, sorry. So yes, here we are. So we have 1st of June 2016 all the way to the 30th of May 2000. Sorry, 1st of June 2015 to the 30th of May 2016. So you have overlap profits heavy over here. So you literally have to find the month in which you're overlapping. So that's kind of what's going on when that period cannot be found in the second tax year, as we can see over here, right? And that's that. So please play around with that, work on work on all the exercises here. And then in the final video, I will talk about the closing rules, a range of really good examples. I might do one of the TYUs in the next video. Or why not? Let me just do this one very quickly, right? Let's just do this very quickly together, but you can do it as well. So he commences business, but I'm just going to do the dates, just to show you it's very straight. He starts business on the 1st of Jan. 1st of Jan 2014, we know this will end on the 5th of April 2014. We know that we have a 13-14 situation covered. But it says that the first period is to the 30th of June 2015. So what we now have is this person has done this, 1st of June 2014 all the way to the 30th of June 2015. So I asked the question, this is my next period. I'm looking for it to sit, this very first period, to sit before the 5th of April 2015. No, it doesn't. So this is my first period, and then my second period must therefore be 6th of April 14 to 5th of April 15. And then I asked the question, can it now sit in the 15-16 period? And yes, it can. So 30th of June, and that's my year end ultimately, isn't it? You can see that's what he's trying to do. 2014 to the 30th of June 2015. And then from then on, everything just carries on as normal. 16-17, you can see it's already, 16-17, you can see it's done for you. 30th of June, 16, you can see them, they're just naturally now falling in line. Yeah, and then you just carry on 1st of July. But of course, you will have overlap profits, but you're just looking at months that things cover over again. Cool, great stuff. So my last video will be on the closing. Well, I think it's the last one, but it might be on the closing year rules. Great stuff. See you then.